Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be discussing everything Pepe because Pepe is absolutely killing it. And of course, we give you guys the day-to-day analysis on, these projects. So if you guys are enjoying this update, you guys know what to do. Continue smashing that like button, hitting that red subscribe button. But now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the overall market, guys, we're seeing the entire market having a bounce once again towards the upside. And again, that's thanks to Bitcoin. As we know, Bitcoin was seeing a little bit of a pullback, but we did see Bitcoin breaking towards the upside, currently sitting at almost $69,000 as we're approaching Saturday morning. But definitely a great day for altcoins because of course dominance continued to fall down towards obviously downside. But let's take a look at Pepe, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. Looking at Pepe, it's up 11.3% on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame it's up 55.2%. And you're seeing Bonk very close in terms of performance, right behind Pepe. So that is obviously a really nice thing to see as well. But let's take a closer look. Let's talk about the price and of course what is yet to come. If we're looking at the price right now, still about 4 zeros in front of the price. We're currently sitting at 154, up 10.8% in USD comparative, as mentioned, up 10% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. But the most exciting thing that I want you guys to be taking a look at right now is the rank for Pepe. It's ranked at the top 22 spot in the cryptocurrency market ranks, which is really impressive, guys. You're seeing the market cap approaching $6.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently at 668.1 million. And that is a really interesting thing to focus on. The volume right now for Pepe is not above that $1 billion mark right now, but still, due to that Bitcoin momentum shift, you're seeing Pepe making these moves, and that speaks a lot for Pepe's performance in the upcoming months ahead of us. So really good stuff that we're seeing. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the holder count, 228,000 holders. Again, the holder count has been in an upwards trajectory pretty much since the bullish momentum has come back into the crypto space. And pretty much since Pepe has been in this upward trajectory over the past few months, we have seen the holder count correlation, obviously in a positive correlation with the price, and it's increasing towards the upside. And of course that is a really good indicator to kind of get the grasp of the sentiment certain coin has. So of course a lot of people are excited about Pepe, and hence you are seeing quite a bit of new holders coming in. But let's take a look at the overall meme coin market combined. You're looking at about $63.5 billion in terms of the meme coin market combined, and you are seeing a lot of green across the board. Look at this for yourself. The last 24 hours we are seeing quite some substantial gains being made. Corgi AI up 24%, double-digit gains, but pretty much everything at this point is up a lot right now over the past 24 hours, which of course is nice to see. But let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe is at 6.5 billion, guys. We're almost at a half of Shiba Inu's market cap. And obviously we had this discussion in our previous update, because Pepe really be on its way to actually battle it out with Shiba Inu and actually flip Shiba Inu for the first time since the last bull market. I think the possibility is definitely there, and it's not an unrealistic scenario that we could be speculating about. And I think Pepe has a lot of power for itself right now, and of course pretty much being listed on all the major exchanges, that is going to be a huge catalyst as well. So that is obviously nice to point out. And of course the narrative, remember, we are seeing dogs in the future. In the past, what am I saying? We've seen a lot of dog coins in the past that performed really good and reached some substantial market caps, but you're seeing these new ones come out, and I think this could be really substantial for Pepe's community. But again, let's take it one step at a time. If you're looking at the dominance index right now, 54.36%. So remember, yesterday we did see the dominance picking up a little bit, but you are seeing the dominance continue to fall down, and of course that's a really nice thing to see. If we're looking at Bitcoin's price, on the other hand, you are seeing Bitcoin reclaiming back above to the 68, that almost $69,000. Again, look at this resistance. Look at this resistance that's coming in the way of Bitcoin, and that is to be expected. Once we break out of this key resistance, I think we could be reclaiming back above all-time highs very fast. So still about I think week and a half left till the month comes to an end, and I think it's still not an unrealistic thing to be talking about, which is the all-time high for Bitcoin. But let's take a look at Pepe, because Pepe has been killing it, has left a lot of people speechless, and has made a lot of people some massive amounts of money, especially anyone that was picking it up even this year. We're not talking about last year. We're not talking about last year. We're talking about 2024. Anyone that picked it up, pretty much even in February, is up right now. And if they're still holding up about 12x right now. 12x. So if you want to put this into perspective, if you put $1,000 around that dollar cost average into Pepe around there, your portfolio would be worth around $12,000 to $13,000. And of course, if you put 10,000, you're looking at about 6 figures plus. So great stuff happening with Pepe community. A lot of people making gains. But let's take a look at the price itself, because we haven't really broken out of an all-time high as of now. But maybe when we're waking up tomorrow morning, we could see that happening, because what you're starting to see is this beautiful bounce due to the Bitcoin price momentum shift. You are seeing Pepe making this move towards the upside. So if you picked up Pepe just yesterday alone, you are up right now about 15%. But what you guys want to be focusing on right now is the resistance that's coming in the way. And again, obviously we know resistances are usually massive hurdles as a price is trying to break towards the upside. But right now, there's a lot of eyes on Pepe. If it's able to push out of here, we go into price discovery mode, and honestly, we could start pushing up above $7 billion market cap. So the target that a lot of people are talking about is the 10 billion. That's the psychological market cap that a lot of people are aiming for, and it's looking more realistic as days go by. As days go by, as this bull market continues, it's looking more realistic than ever. And of course, it has that head start. It has that massive advantage against a lot of the other competitors right now. It's in the lead. So really, really nice stuff with Pepe. Tomorrow morning, of course, it's going to be really nice to see how Pepe reacts. Do expect this resistance to be a hurdle in the way. Of course, we don't have as much volume right now, but usually sometimes low volume could sense a breakout towards the upside. So I'm not too worried about that. But like I said, of course, it's really, really important for us to break out of here. We're very close. If we're able to break out, I think we could be entering price discovery mode and could see us waking up to a great green day. But again, we need to break out of this resistance, and Bitcoin cannot be having a shakeout. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Crypto ZX, and peace out.